Hi folks, welcome to Ark Training. My name's Simon. In this session today, what we're going to look at covering is meeting options. So if we just go into Teams, into our Teams calendar here, I'm just going to add a meeting for next week called Test of Options. I'm not going to add any required attendees because I'm going to put it in the channel of Romans. Why not? Friends, Romans and countrymen, lend me your ears. And then I'm just going to put in there edit options. Okay, and then I'm just going to push send. So what that's going to do is that's going to send that message, that meeting to everybody in the Romans channel. And when we join that meeting, if we were to join that meeting, everybody would have the same rights as me. I'm the teacher, I'm the presenter, so I get to do things like I can mute people, I can unmute people, I can remove people from the conversation, I can lower people's hands. If we don't edit this meeting, all of my pupils have exactly the same rights as me. And I don't want that. I don't want them to have those rights. So if we just click on meeting options, it will take us to a nice little web page where we can actually look at our meeting options. And let me just explain a few bits and pieces. So who can bypass the lobby? At the moment it's set to only people in the organisation. We can set it to everybody or people in my organisation. I believe that Microsoft are working on an update to that whereby we can actually force students to wait until we actually admit them as well. Do we want to allow callers to bypass the lobby? No, we do not. Yeah, we can announce when callers join or leave. That's always quite nice. This is the one that we're really interested in. Who can present? And at the moment, as you can see, it's set to everybody. So everybody has presentation rights. I'm going to change that to only me. And if I change that to only me, that means that only I get to mute people or unmute people. I get to raise and lower hands, remove them from the meeting, etc., etc. So there you go. I'm going to push save. And it's done. I can close that web page now. And for that meeting, when we get to that meeting on Monday, I will be the only one that's allowed to mute other people. Obviously, people can mute themselves. I can lower people's hands. Well, there is a video about raising hands. I'm the only one that's going to be able to do that. So that's actually going to give me far more control over the meeting than otherwise. So I hope you found that useful, and I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day.